Selecting Mancos, Colorado as your new home is definitely a big decision because it is such a small town. But with a small town is that you get tremendous views, a sense of community, and a hustling and bustling, super adorable downtown. But on this property specific, you have this lifestyle that I don't think you can find anywhere else at this price point with this much of a water source. This ground is so lush. This is a super long driveway, but it's all flat, it's gated, and then you've got pastures on the left-hand side, which is for the horses. And then on the right-hand side of these other pastures is you had a full setup for when they had goats and small animals, but it's really well done. It has power. It'd be very easy to convert to whatever you're hoping to put in there. And it's hard to tell in this video, but there is a adorable gazebo sitting over the pond, which is filled up by the irrigation system, as well as just the natural water table here. And look at that beautiful tree. So as you're driving up, this is what you're going to be seeing every day if you select this property to be yours. And you do see these beautiful bluffs, the mountains, and Mesa Verde is over there to your left. And the road base is great for it being gravel, so you don't have to worry about your vehicle getting muddy. And there's just a very short section of dirt road. And the mature landscaping, you guys, isn't that just beautiful? So as a guest, your main entry is going to be up through the walkway here. But the property does go on the backside of the house quite a bit. So I want to show you guys that before we go into the house, because these grounds are just magical. These are our cute little livestock protection dogs who may bark at us. Hopefully not today. So this is just kind of the exterior tour of this property. Got a formal little doghouse area. Property boundary line goes to the left of that, I believe, well house shed. Don't quote me on that, but that small shed. And it just moseys around here. So this building behind, we will tour that in a little bit, but that is actually where the current sellers have their bakery business. Would be super easy to convert into kind of whatever you're hoping for. Small little hangout for guests, homeschooling, converting that out. And then that is a chicken coop back there. We will tour that in a little bit. This fun little tree house. And then you have your back pastures, or pasture, which is great, so that you can rotationally graze your horses or whatever livestock you choose to have. So we're gonna walk over there. This is very interesting. So this flat building pad has been here since before the current sellers bought it. Unknown kind of exactly what was there, but it's already flat, so you could make something fun of it. And then this is the back part of the property. And it's a little cloudy today. We are finally getting some much needed rain. That's the chicken coop. And this is the back of the house. So before we go inside, I just want to give you some house details. This house has been completely renovated, and these sellers are very detail oriented. And you're just going to find that this house is absolutely adorable. And it's basically self-sufficient as far as its usage goes. So that's really nice. Very, very energy conscious, and just a lovely setting out here. You've got fruit trees. Look at the grapes. They are almost ready to be harvested. And this is so rare to see this year because we had a late frost and a lot of our fruits got frozen. So it's definitely a blessing to be able to see those here. And this is such a serene location. It is one that you really have to see for yourself. And I know that every real estate agent says that, but these trees just tower over you. And then, so this is the back deck. This isn't the front deck. But since we've been outside and it just got done raining, just kind of want to show you what your afternoons could look like Just pretty spectacular out here. So I'm not sure yet if I'm going to combine these videos or not. We may do an exterior video and an interior video, but stay tuned. Or if this video is longer than 6 minutes, I decided to go onto the inside. If not, look through my channel and find the interior tour.